What's up, guys? Uncle Scott here. Hi, and welcome to Uncle Scott's Kitchen. In this video, we are talking Le Creuset enamel cast iron Dutch ovens. And what we're going to do is kind of compare and contrast the classic series, which we are mostly familiar with around here, with this guy. This is one of the new Alpine Outdoor collection pieces from Le Creuset. It's an enamel cast iron, but it is different than the classic series. What are the differences? Where might one perform better than the other? Who knows? Let's jump in and find out. Okay, so at a high level, the classic series, these are the ones we've been talking about for years around here. Fancy French, light interior color, great build quality, variety of colors, very high-end pieces that look great on a fancy cooktop. The new Alpine Outdoor collection is different. This is designed for cooking, as it says, outdoors, but on things like gas grills, open flames, barbecues, fires, campfires, on and on. And you typically don't think of Le Creuset as rugged. I think of it more as fancy or high end, but this is a more rugged collection. And just first impressions right out of the box, it looks significantly different. You can definitely tell that it is a different collection, different style piece for different purposes. So let's jump in and go through some of the details and compare and contrast these guys. The Alpine, made in France, just like the other Le Creusets, and if you had any doubt about that, they say it very prominently here on the lid, made in France. And if you forget, they also say it right here on the bottom. The classic series, even though it's not 100% true, we tend to think of those as always having a light interior, one of the hallmarks of the Le Creusets. The Alpine Outdoor has a black matte interior, and the classic is very smooth to the touch. The Alpine Outdoor, a little bit more texture to it. You can definitely feel it, you can see it. The enamel is also supposed to be very durable. It says you can use metal utensils in the Alpine Outdoor collection. However, I'm going to admonish you to not do that. I don't do that. I'm going to use wood or at most silicone or plastic utensils in mine. And on the lids, you can really tell that there's a difference between the two. Classic series, very smooth, nice finish, whereas the Alpine, definitely more texture to it. Colors, one of the hallmarks of the classic Le Creusets is you can get them in a wide variety of beautiful colors. With the Alpine version, it's kind of sort of like paraphrasing Henry Ford here with the Model T. Comes in any color you want as long as that color is black. I think they call it licorice, but just one color choice here. It looks like bare cast iron, but it's enameled. So bare cast iron, if you think of something like a Lodge cast iron skillet or even a Lodge Camp Dutch oven, those have to be seasoned. The Alpine collection, it looks the same, it looks very similar, but no seasoning required. And that's actually very important because with the enamel cast iron, you can cook acidic ingredients. So for example, when I go camping and I take that Lodge cast iron, I am always a little hesitant to cook things like chili in it because I don't want to simmer tomatoes for a long time in a seasoned cast iron. That acidic tomato, it can eat away at the seasoning. With the enamel cast iron though, you don't have to worry about that. So you can cook things with wine, vinegar, even onions sometimes, lemon juice, and it's not going to hurt the enamel. Heat sources, crucially important distinction here for the Alpine Outdoor collection. For the classic models, you needed to use these on regulated heat sources, and that's something like a stove in an interior oven. The Alpine Outdoors models you can use on unregulated heat sources. So you can, of course, use them on stoves, in ovens, in your house if you want to, but outdoors you could use them on a gas grill. You could use them on an open flame. I'm going to use mine on charcoal. And speaking of heat, the classic series, you're not supposed to get those over 500 degrees. The Alpine Outdoor collection, it's good up to 842 degrees. And that seems like a very specific temperature. Why 842 degrees? Turns out in the incomprehensible Celsius, centigrade, metric, European system, that's 450 degrees, even number centigrade. And that's actually very important to know because, for example, cooking with things like charcoal briquettes. I've looked this up and it depends on which site you're on, but those typically burn at 500, 600, 700 degrees. If you can get this one up to 842 degrees, you've got some wiggle room and it should be safe cooking on those outdoor heat sources. And speaking of those heat sources, I mentioned cooking with charcoal briquettes. A lot of times when we go camping, and who takes fancy French cookware when they go camping? I do. But sometimes we put charcoal briquettes on top of Dutch ovens. With the Classic series, you're not supposed to do that anyway, but it's got a more domed, curved lid. It wouldn't fit there even if you wanted to do it. The Alpine series has a flatter lid. It's also got a little rim or lip around there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do some of that Camping 101 Dutch oven cobbler. And I'm going to put not only charcoal underneath, I'm going to put a few briquettes on top when we actually start doing some testing with this guy and see how that works. Now the handle here is not cast iron. It's got two, it's attached with two, I don't know if those are screws. It may be some sort of Allen bit head you would need to tighten those up. But it feels, it's not cast iron. And I don't know if that is, I think it might be metal, but it may be plastic. So we're going to see about that handle as we do some testing. And speaking of the handles, one of the most striking features of this Alpine Outdoor collection, and it's one of the things that jumped out at me immediately, is the size of the handles. And on the Classic series, kind of small, I can get a good I can get 4 fingers in there, bare, but I definitely couldn't if I were using an oven mitt. I think this Alpine Outdoor collection is for using mitts. The handles on these are for using big mitts. So these are fire safe, heat safe mitts that I use for cooking outside. And I can get all 4 fingers in a big, thick, fireproof mitt through the handle on that Alpine. The handles on the body, this is all one piece. So the handles are integrated here. It's just the one on the lid seems to be a separate piece. Now the branding, the Le Creuset logo here on the Classic is a little bit more subtle. On the Alpine, much more visible. These are recessed into the cast iron, and it says Le Creuset made in France. Very visible, very prominent. But on the handle, the text is actually raised. Kind of interesting on the bottom, there is a little lip or rim around the bottom, and then you got a nice graphic here, and that presumably would be the mountain, probably the French Alps is what I am going to assume here. Also says made in France again, and you got the Le Creuset there. Interestingly, the Classic model, no rim and a smooth bottom. The Classic is induction compatible. Now cast iron normally is induction compatible, but the Alpine collection is not. So it says not to use it on induction. And I wonder, I don't know exactly why, but I wonder if that graphic and that little lip or rim raises that up just a little bit and it won't sit flat with good contact on an induction. Just a theory, but normally cast iron is induction compatible. And this one is a 4.5 quart, and this one is, I think, a 4.25 quart. Almost the same size, so I'm using these two to compare. The Classic here has a more vertical sidewall. The Alpine a little bit more angled, so even at the same capacity, there's going to be slightly less cooking surface space in the Alpine. Weight, though, the Alpine is significantly heavier than the Classic. So empty, but with the lid, almost 12 pounds for the Alpine, versus around 10 for the Classic. So it seems sturdy. The lid seems to fit pretty well, but let's remember these are not pressure cookers, so it doesn't matter how well the lid fits. If you get enough boiling water in there, it's going to vent a little bit of steam. Price. It's Le Creuset. They don't give these things away. I bought mine myself with my own money online last week, and I paid right at $240 for this guy, plus tax. So the state of Utah made about $18 off the whole deal, and I'm not sure what they contributed, but who knows. The Classic model here, it depends on the color you get, but those are ranging now from $285 up to about $400. So outrageous. They don't give them away, but a little bit more economical, if you can say that, for a $240 Dutch oven for the Alpine. But right out of the box, this Le Creuset Alpine Outdoor collection, it is a different look and feel and experience compared to the Classic lines. Now, what about some cooking tests? How does it actually perform? For those, you need to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on, because they will be in an upcoming video. If you turn your notifications on, YouTube will let you know when that video is released. So stay tuned for some cooking. Until then, leave your questions, comments, and feedback below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.